What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This one was also a request from a comment on another video, so if you guys do have any requests, you feel free to comment it, as well as join the Discord. Link is down in the description below, where I will go over these coins for you. I'm going to be honest, I don't really have any sweet nothings to say about this token. Just looking at its weekly chart. Weekly looks awful. It actually looks awful. So to start things off, maybe you can trade it. If you're buying it to hold it, it needs to do a lot of work before you have any type of thinking it's going to go up, because you are sitting at your all-time lows and you've been hanging out down here. You're resetting your stochastic on the weekly. Yes, you're in bearish control zone, but you have not held support yet. So let me start this video out with this. Not looking great. Another surprising thing, our partners over at Jumpex, you can trade this. So if you feel bearish, you could short it. If you feel bullish, you can go long. The opportunity's there. So if this thing does have a chance at going up, I will definitely say, hey, you got a chance here, and this thing has only upside, because you are literally down there at all-time lows. You can argue you're setting a higher low, so that's really the only positive we have to work with. Anyways, checking out your daily. Yikes. Daily, a lot left to be desired. Stochastic is fully resetting as you are testing the 100 simple moving average. You did have an extremely mild form of hidden bullish divergence, because you had a slightly lower low with higher relative strength. So I guess that's positive. That's cool. I'm not feeling very bullish on this asset. If I'm being completely honest with you, I don't like to be so very bearish, but I'm going to try and find some positives, because you are at all-time lows, and as long as Bitcoin doesn't do literally anything wrong, this could be a very great trade setup that will catch everyone off guard. So there's that. You can say it's like a wedge pattern, which is really cool to see, because you do have a measured move out of this. So measured move after the breakout, looking at about 324% upside possible if it can get its act right. Let's go down to lower time frames. Your 4 hour actually looks pretty good. So 4 hour does look very, very good. You are setting a new supply line, which is very nice to see. So here's your supply line currently. Could change with time. And once again, if Bitcoin does well, this token might actually get out of the basement and possibly be able to make some friends. We don't know. But currently, a lot left to be desired. I would almost feel better if it came back down to test 52.5 and held it as support. If it could do that, that would make me feel much, much better. But as of this moment, I don't like it. I really don't like it. You hit it once while you were still trying to hold your pattern. You hit it twice inside of the pattern. Now that you broke out, give me that confirmation that this is the low. That would be fantastic. So until that happens, or until you break 88.4 and you hold it as support twice, I'm not very bullish. As for a short-term trade, you could very well see GTC go up anywhere between this 7.3 to, I would say, 24%. But in the grand scheme of things, that is a lot of risk. You're low risk down here at 52.4. You're very high risk up where you're at. I mean, you could even argue down here on your supply line, a bit better of an opportunity. Checking out your 1 hour looks awful. Looks terrible. You can already see you did have a high in your relative strength. You're making higher highs with lower relative strength. That is hidden bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence generally plays out as like falling over harder than anybody expects. And considering this particular token, its overall market cap is sitting at 59 million, it could literally go either way. And the fact that you're at all-time lows, that doesn't sit well with me. I don't like that one bit. If this was Cat in the Hat, it's like, I do not like green eggs and ham. Sam I am. It's Not looking good. You even tried to break down once, so possibly you'll see the 7.3% play out. But yeah, it's looking pretty bearish in my eyes. I don't like it. I would much rather it test the 71.9 and roll over and do whatever it's gonna do, rather than like, oh hey, we're going up. Even if it tested 88.4, you still have the possibility of falling back down to 52.4. Yeah, pretty scary, this particular asset. I'm not a big fan. I don't want to sugarcoat it. I don't like it. I don't like it. You're 15 minutes trying to reset, trying to find a rally. So yeah, once again, maybe you see this 7.72% rally. Maybe you get a measured move of like what would be deemed as a short squeeze. I just don't know anybody who's trading this thing. But yeah, it's almost lining up perfectly with this resistance right here. So yeah, those are my thoughts. If you guys could do me a favor, tell me your thoughts in the comments below. That would be amazing. From a personal standpoint, I will not be trying to trade this unless I see an opportunity to short it. Just being honest, just is what it is. Sorry to say. But yeah. Anyways, if you do enjoy this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 1,000. As of recording this, we're at like 292. We got a long road ahead. But I do believe as the market heats up, we should be getting a lot more subscribers, and I will be covering some meme coins, and it's going to get crazy. So if you want to be a part of the OG club, subscribe now. Also, in the description down below, if you need a place to trade with zero KYC, amazing deposit bonuses, and the opportunity of copy trading, if you don't feel like you can really navigate these markets well, then make a little bit of a passive income on winning trades, you can go into the copy trading section. For those of you seasoned traders out there, understand there is zero KYC, there is great leverage, there's over 200 coins to trade, as well as you get rebates on all of your trades in USDT, which is absolutely phenomenal. I believe it's 10% rebates. So definitely worth a check out. Also in the description, you can catch me live. Link is to Twitch until we get to 1,000 subscribers. Then we will be all on YouTube for these crypto trade setups. Anyways, I will catch you in the next one. Take it easy. Make sure those stop losses are tight. Let's get these gains, baby.